Joshua Productions Game App Review. Hey guys, so we just got a request for Plumber's Crack. Remember to subscribe in the bottom right hand corner if you like our videos. Also comment. Our Game App Review Day will be every Thursday or Saturday. So yeah. Ooh, got 20% left. So let's get Plumber's Crack going. Here we go.
The last letter is a Y.
Once again, the games and apps have to be free in order for us to review them, because I have no money on my account. So yeah.
Let's read. The clock strikes 12 and Cinderella has to stay.
Okay, so it's easy. You just aim for the Plumber's Crack. Okay? Don't let the ice cream.
Great! Really? You are going to stay? Yes, I will stay. And
okay, so you just keep
Super job, Super Readers. We changed the story and saved the day.
And you can turn the radio on.
Cinderella can stay.
So yeah, it's really easy.
I like you just the way you are. And
you just keep throwing. I just like to do the multi-throw.
Oh, Super Readers, I do fit in with everyone else.
See, so if I miss, watch, so if I miss, I can bomb it. If I keep making it, it will work. So yeah, and sometimes they get knocked out. Okay, anyways, so in the store,
I thought you might find some here.
In the store,
Which letters did you find?
there are clothes for them.
Why?
You can change the gender.
Okay.
What you throw. You can get tattoos. And you can buy more bombs. So, yeah. This has been a James Productions game review. So, that was Plumber Crack. And remember, you guys, hang on.
Bye, Super Readers. Thank you.
Just subscribe.
Bye-bye.